Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited today to share with you my best outdoor toys for toddlers, preschoolers. If you haven't seen my beach video, things to take to the beach with you for toddlers, check it out. I also have a Mommy's Hack playlist I can link up above as well that does puzzle progression, favorite toys, and gift guides per year. But today, like I said, I'm going to talk to you guys about the best outdoor toys for your toddlers and your preschoolers that my son particularly loves. We're going to talk about some water toys, some sports toys, some random toys, and some kind of bikes, trikes, and stuff that we've been using. So if you're interested, then keep watching. So it is the summertime when I am filming this, so I'm gonna go into and start off with our water toys. So everyone has a typical water table. If not, I will share the one we have. This is our water table. It's from Step 2, I believe, and there's a bigger version of it as well. There's even smaller versions. I will link the one that we have and the bigger one down below, but this is really excellent for your little ones to start playing with. My son started playing with this like when he was 1, still currently plays with it. Now there are also, I've seen pumps that you can hook up to this. I will try and find one down below where the water, you can have like a water hose pump to kind of keep putting the water to the top, so you keep having that sprinkler effect on the top for those kids that don't always like to pour the buckets on top. So that is an option for you. What we like to play with these is our dinosaur kind of toys. This actually came in our sandbox. So this is what our sandbox looks like, and it came with these dinosaur toys, but any action figures, toys, things like that is definitely something to play in a water table. We also picked up this fishing net with the fish from Target. They also sell one from Amazon as well. This is really good so they can use that hand-eye coordination to scoop up those fish, and it just spends a little bit longer in the water. Other things that you can add to your water table are these light up balls. We use these too in our bathtubs. They do take batteries, but they do a really good job. Haven't messed up anything like that. I feel like a lot of water toys that need batteries like kind of mess up after a while. This has been lasting for quite a while. They're meant to be in the pool, things like that. So check these out. And then I did just purchase my son these dinosaur light up toys that also can go in the water as well. So pretty fun to play with in the water table. Now another thing that you can do is get the inflatable pools. Now these are kind of found all over the place. You can get them at Dollar Tree, Target, Amazon. I'll link the blue one we have up above. There also are a lot of really cute ones from Target. We picked up the watermelon one as well. But something that's even more ingenious than the inflatable pools that sometimes tend to pop are the foldable dog pools or foldable pools. So they're kind of sold as like a dog bath for outside, I guess, but it folds so you don't have to blow anything up. It's perfect for taking to the beach. I know I've seen a lot of people bring inflatable pools to the beach. This way it's easy to put up and take down pretty much. And when your kid is bringing all their toys and random things and scratch and bulldoze through it, you know what I'm talking about, it doesn't pop. So check out these foldable pools if you are interested. Another thing that goes with that we continue to get every summer is the splash pad kind of inflatable sprinklers. So it's kind of like an inflatable pool, but it's a little more shallow, and it constantly is like a sprinkler. So my son loved playing with this last summer. I have not busted it out this summer yet. It's still currently in the garage, but we did really like it and do recommend them. We get the one from Amazon every now and then. They go on super sale too. I'd recommend you pick it up on sale because sometimes, like I said, these things do pop. So definitely get it when it is on sale and a little bit cheaper. Another water toy that we love to play, spring, summer, fall, winter, you name it. I normally put it out on the screen porch if it's cold outside, but this is our color changing sink. I've even put this in our bathtub, and it has been a lifesaver for fall, winter time. But a lot of these tend to break, especially the ones that you could get from Walmart. This one I highly recommend because it has a 30-day warranty on it. I have had one that broke within the 30 days, and you get a new one for free. Like you just let them, you email the Amazon seller, and they will send you a new one for free. So I like this one. It is color changing. So if your water is getting warm and hot, then it will turn a different color for your cups and plates and knives, things like that. Now, probably the best thing that I love to keep from these are the little scrubber brushes. These are really excellent too to take to the beach with you, and then they can clean off the shells from the sand, things like that. So it's really nice to give things a car wash or give things a wash, bath, or what have you. So definitely check this out if you haven't. The other water toy, if you have little ones, water guns can sometimes be a little tricky to handle, so water blasters are where it's at. This way they just kind of pull, suck up the water, and then push the water out. Super easy for them. Me and my son have water blaster fights all the time on our driveway, so I highly recommend these. Now, what's interesting is our pool we go to, you can't bring these. So just kind of, if you do have a neighborhood pool or sign up with the pool, check with them before bringing these to the pool. They said they were water guns. We all know they're water blasters and water squirters, but I get them. But check with your pools before bringing them to any pools. Moving on to other outdoor toys, our dump truck is one of our favorite toys to take to the beach and to play with at home. So it is super hefty and big. So if you take it to the ocean and you like play on like where the waves break, it does not, like, it's heavy duty. Like it holds its own. My son will push this thing back and forth through the sand on long walks, things like that, throw the shells in, things like that. This is also really good fall time. We have put pine cones in there. We have found rocks in there. It is just perfect for playing with outside. I will link it down below, as well as like there's a set it comes with. Sometimes when it's sold separately, it sells out a lot on Amazon, but I will link it down below. Highly recommend it. There's also a version that you can get at Target as well, so I will link both of those down below. Another thing that we picked up was the front loader truck. I'm pretty sure it's called front loader. If you have boys, you know what I'm talking about, but this is a little bit smaller, a little bit lighter weight than the dump truck, but it's still really fun for them to play with. Other thing that my son likes to do with these trucks is fill them up with water, pour it out somewhere, you name it. If you are looking for a singing toy set to take to the beach with you or to play in your singing box, water toy, what have you, I highly recommend the one that we have. It comes with like a mesh beach bag, book bag kind of thing that they can wear, and that way the sand kind of falls out if you don't get everything clean from their playtime. So I recommend this. We've been using it for years now, and I like that it comes with a bag that you can easily carry. Some other toys, bubbles are a big thing for outside. We love this fish bubble machine. It has not broken on us yet. We love it. It has a button to turn on and off, so you don't always have to be constantly blowing those bubbles for your little ones. This is such a good one too. Our gym that I take Jackson to for like little preschool gym time uses this bubble machine as well. Another bubble product is the Bubble & Go mower, and there are many different versions of this on Amazon. The one we have has been working, but it's now stopped working because my son has put sticks and twigs, all that kind of stuff where the bubble spinner goes. So it still works, still makes the room like a mower. He still mows the grass with my husband and my dad every time with this thing, so a mower is perfect. If it has bubbles, it has bubbles. If not, oh well. Next thing I wanted to talk about was our rocket launchers. So this is something I picked up last year, and it's such a fun game to play with your little ones. You have these like noodle kind of rockets, and then there's a stand, so then they just stomp on the stand, the rocket flies in the air. If you have little ones, sometimes they have to jump with 2 feet on it. It doesn't matter, it's so fun. They love to see how high it goes, how far it goes. Then they run and pick it up. So rocket launchers are where it's at. Another thing that can be used for indoor or outdoor, it kind of depends on what your preferences are and what you need, are the Little Tikes bouncers. So I will link the one we have. We have kind of a big version of it. There's also the smaller version as well, but you can have this outside. It does come with stakes, so you can stake it into the ground. So if wind comes, things happen, like it doesn't fly away. But what I typically use it for is indoors. So I love to have that option for when it's raining, super cold, you name it, super hot outside. So that way there is an indoor option to get their energy out, but you can also put it outside. I see a lot of people in the neighborhood put them outside, so it just depends on your preference. If you're interested in playing sports with your little ones outside, I highly recommend our soccer goal and ball. The ball is more kind of preschool toddler size, so definitely if you have older kids, definitely look into getting a separate soccer ball specifically. But this goal was really easy to put together and is really good to kind of teach them how to learn block shots, kick in a certain direction, things like that. The other thing we have is a T-ball with gloves. We got this for his birthday this last year and he has really enjoyed it. Has the little stand and comes with the little T-ball, so it's perfect. The glove is sold separately if you're interested in that. Another thing that's not really sports related, some people, older dads may think it is. This is definitely a toy for everyone. Cornhole boards. They do sell these little kid versions that you can do, but if you have a toddler, just go ahead and get the cornhole board, the original one. I've played it with my son and he really enjoys trying to get them in the hole and throwing the beanbag in the holes. So such a fun game to play, and you don't have to get the kid version if you don't want to. It's up to you. You can go straight for the adult version. A couple other things I wanted to mention are the radio flyer trike. So this starts with like where you can push them and their feet don't get in the way, then where they start to learn how to pedal, and then it actually turns into a bike. So we've had this since he was like before he was 1, and we are still working on trying to ride a bike. I think my son isn't motivated to pedal by himself, but we do have it that he loves using this Mickey bike. So we got this for Christmas last year, and this is a little bit easier for him, more lightweight, and it's more of a pedal in front than a pedal underneath you. So check those out if you're interested. And then the scooter. So this is the scooter that we have. I will put the one that my friend has that's a little bit lower to the ground. That's a little bit easier for my son to use, but those are the ones that we have. Then the last 2 products I wanted to talk to you about are kind of lounge sitting things for your toddler. So this is the backpack lounge chair, and this is the chair we take to the beach with me, to the pool, any outdoor gathering. It has a backpack strap for it, so you can wear it or sling it over your shoulder or your toddler, depends on how helpful they are at the moment. But I like this because it has a sunshade over it, so it helps protect their little bodies from the sun. And if you haven't received or purchased a Little Tikes picnic table, these are awesome. We love these. It also comes with the umbrella and umbrella stand. My son has had so many play dates where they just eat pizza, hang out. I put the water table on it or the color changing sink on it sometimes if you don't want to just put it on the ground. So that is an option for that. But that is everything for my favorite outdoor toys for preschoolers and toddlers. Let me know if you found anything that your toddler or preschooler loves in the comments down below, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye.